Kasha Noor. I'm a student of Triple ID Kalyani, and today we're going to make coffee. Okay, so I'm a hostler. I have limited amount of things. I have a kettle to boil the milk and water. I have this powder, milk powder. For in place of milk, I have this Nescafe coffee and chocolate powder for extra flavors. I have tea also, but I'm not going to use it. Here's my friend Amit will give me some glasses.
Hello everyone.
Bring three glasses.
Yes, sir.
Three glasses, okay. Today I'm going to make
Here we are. Glass number 1,
Thank you.
glass number 2, and glass number 3.
Thank you. So I'm going to make coffee for 3 persons.
Thank
Okay. Bring 1 spoon also. So basically you need the Nescafe coffee and 1 cup.
Sir.
Take coffee for 3 persons. Okay. Take 3 half spoon coffee. 1, 2, and if you want a little hard coffee, so you can take 1 complete spoon. Okay, so I'm taking 1 complete spoon for my friend Rajat, who likes to have a hard cup of coffee. Okay, now bring some water for me.
Yes, sir.
In that also add 3 tablespoons of sugar.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry, I have to open it. Yeah, I'm making it for 3 persons, so I will add 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, and 3. Now the further step is very important. You have to add very little amount of water into this and start mixing coffee and sugar. Okay, I will show you how. Just add 2-3 drops of water and then start mixing sugar and the coffee. This is a lengthy process, it will take time, so I have already made this. Yeah, I come forward and show you that I am mixing it. You can see, you have to mix it, okay? Currently the color is this and it will after some time change to lighter one, okay? See, I am mixing it continuously. After frequent time, you have to add 2 or 3 drops of water, and then see it's changing, it's mixing. Okay. See, after approximately 10 minutes, the coffee has come up to its shape. The color has come. See the beauty of this color. And now I'm going to add milk into the kettle. These are the 2 cups of milk I'm going to add. This goes 1 cup. That's fine. A little mixing. I have boiled the milk for 2 persons and I am making 1 black coffee also. So distribute this paste in 3 cups equally. This is the 1 cup. This is another cup. Leave the rest in the 3rd cup, okay? Now add boiling milk into the coffee paste and see your coffee is being prepared. 1 cup and the 2nd cup, and your coffee has been made. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my video. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.
These are the colors.